MarqMetrix All-In-One process Raman systems are designed to be installed at the point of need, no matter the application setting. This video will show you how to install your process Raman system in an IP-certified enclosure to ensure the device's safe and continuous operation in potentially challenging conditions. We've designed our IP-rated water and dust-proof enclosures to house up to 2 MarqMetrix All-In-Ones for multi-channel analysis at different points in your production process. Our enclosures are built out of 316 stainless steel and come pre-wired for quick and easy installation. All you have to do is place your all-in-ones into the enclosure and make the necessary connections. The enclosures can be customized with a door interlock system that disables the all-in-one's laser if the door is open, ensuring compliance with laser safety requirements. To learn more about our IP enclosures, visit MarqMetrix.com or send us an email. Be sure to follow our social media pages to learn more about MarqMetrix and our unique approach to process Raman. Subscribe to this channel for more Raman content, and thanks for watching.